So since this is in standard form, we want to go ahead and attempt elimination. But we don't have anything that cancels. So since we don't have anything that cancels, we're going to have to multiply one of these by a number that would cancel something. There's two ways to do it. We could multiply by 3 down here and get rid of the x, or we could multiply 2 up here and get rid of y. So let's do 2. So we're going to multiply every little piece, because that doesn't hurt an equation, by 2. So negative 3 times 2, that's negative 6x. Negative 20y equals negative 20. And we don't have to do anything to this one. We just write it down. And now, when we add them together, a negative 20 and a positive 20 makes a 0. So that's gone. A negative 6x, and remember this is a 1x. If that helps, make sure you put your 1's in. So that's negative 5x equals negative 50. So negative 5x equals negative 50. Last step, last step, last step, divide by negative 5. X equals 10. How do we find the y? Well, we take it over here. I can put it in either one I want, but I'm going to put it into this one. So this is 10 instead of x plus 20y is equal to negative 30. I'm going to move the 10 to the other side. That makes it negative 10. So that's 20y equals negative 40. I'm going to divide both sides by 20. Y equals negative 2. And remember, this is a point. A point has parentheses, it has a comma, and it has an x, and it has a y. It is a point. Alright, let's look at this next one. Again, I could multiply the bottom one by 3, or maybe a negative 3, to eliminate y, or I can multiply the top one by 4 and eliminate the x. So I think we'll do the top one. We will multiply by 4. So my new equation is 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times 12 is 48y. And 4 times 6 is 24. I write the other one down. I don't have to do anything to it. Now a positive 8x and a negative 8x is 0. I add these two together. That's 52y equals. Now there's a 0. That's not a problem. We are not in that land where it's no or infinite solutions. We just have a normal everyday equation. Let's just finish it. The last step, last step, last step is to divide by 52. 52 cancels. Y equals, well, 0 divided by 52 is still 0. Now, how do I find x? Well, I go up here. I pick any of these that I want. I think I'll pick the first one. So 2x plus 12 times 0 is equal to 6. Well, that's all gone, isn't it? 12 times 0 is just 0. So 2x equals 6, and x equals 3. This is a point. A point has parentheses, it has a comma, it has an x, and it has a y. Solutions to systems are points.